Hey everyone, my name's Kevin. Today I'm going to give my full review of SoFi Money. I make videos like this every week about real estate, personal finance, investing, and a lot of other things. So if you like it, like this video and subscribe. Now let's get into it. So what is SoFi Money? SoFi Money is a new account out there, a technology-focused account that combines checking accounts and savings account into one platform, and it offers a phenomenal interest rate of 2.25%. SoFi Money was launched earlier on, but it hadn't got a lot in the press, and I had been really fond of this account for quite a while. I made a few other videos where I touched on it peripherally, but this video I'm going to dedicate just to exploring my entire review of the account. I got the account a little while ago. I've been extremely pleased with it, and as of last week, they rolled out a referral program where if you sign up for the account, you get $50 toward your account for free as long as you deposit $100 into that account. I have my link below. You don't need to click it, but if you'd like to get the account and you'd like to support the channel, go ahead and do so. If not, you can find other links out there and you can still get that $50. I have liked SoFi Money for quite a while, and the referral has nothing to do with how much I like this account because I signed up for it long before they actually had this referral. So why do I like this account so much? Well, I'll start by saying that SoFi Money is a very clean platform. It offers a 2.25% interest rate on all your money in that account. And now this account, like I said, is a checking savings hybrid. So that means you don't have to have multiple accounts. You don't have to have a savings account somewhere and a checking account somewhere else. You just have one account. They call it a money account. That's why it's called SoFi Money. So all of your money can flow into that account and you can pay your bills out of it and you could use it as savings and earn 2.25%. This is why I like it, because it's very, very simple. Now, even though SoFi is a technology company, they still do have the common debit card that you see with any normal checking account. Now, this debit card works just like any other debit card. It's very simple. You can use it anywhere, but they still have that account. Now, me personally, I don't actually use that debit card. I work straight through my app for all of my features on that account because their app is very, very clean. Some of the other key features of this account is the fact that there are no fees of any kind. It doesn't cost you anything to own SoFi Money. There are no account maintenance fees. There are no overdraft fees. There are nothing of the sort of any sort of fees. And this compares to other accounts like Chase and Bank of America and Wells Fargo, which can charge you more than $100 a year just to have the account. This is absurd. You should never ever pay money to have a checking or savings account in 2019. SoFi Money is an account that offers all of the same features that most of those other banks offer, and it's for free. This is something that really is no downside, and you can sign up for it and see for yourself. SoFi Money also allows you to have direct deposit into that account. It allows you to pay your bills, your credit card bill, your utility bill, your rent, whatever it may be, through that account. It has full functionality, and it allows you to withdraw money from any Visa branded ATM anywhere in the country for free. They reimburse you for your ATM fees, and there's no cost to you other than what you're withdrawing from the ATM to withdraw cash from the ATM. This is a point that I actually really like, and when I was weighing whether or not to get SoFi Money versus keeping my other accounts, I actually really like this feature quite a bit because there are ATMs just about everywhere that are Visa branded. You could find them in Walmart and CVS, you could find them a lot of places, versus what I had before, which is Chase, and you only are limited to withdrawing money from Chase ATMs if you don't want to pay money for your ATM fees. This is super convenient to me because if I were traveling somewhere, I might not have access to a Chase ATM, but likely I would have access to just a regular ATM, and SoFi Money would cover the ATM fees on my withdrawals there. Now, like any good bank account, SoFi Money is FDIC insured. This is a crucial thing, and for those who don't know what FDIC insurance is, it essentially is insurance from the federal government on the deposits you have in the account up to a certain amount. For SoFi Money, it actually is $1.5 million that they cover, which I know for me is certainly going to cover all the money that I have in that account, and I take it for most people that is true for them as well. This compares to other banks like Chase and Bank of America, which have the traditional FDIC insurance of only $250,000, and SoFi Money gets around this by actually spreading your money out into a few different banks, and you're able to get that $1.5 million of FDIC insurance. SoFi Money also allows you to get checks for free. You don't have to pay money for the checks. You go onto their website and order them, and they get sent to your house, and you could use them for free. This is something that I found really convenient because a lot of times the money that I have to pay, for example, for certain things only can take checks. Like for my HOA, they only take checks. They don't take any credit cards or anything like that, and they don't allow just simple routing of the money. So having a check is really important. It's a little feature, but I like not having to pay for it because when I was with a traditional bank like Chase, I had to pay for my checks, which is only $3 or $4 or $5. but it's kind of annoying to have to pay for it. With SoFi Money, you don't. SoFi Money is also very secure. They have two-factor authentication. They have, password security. They have an ability for you to swipe on your app to freeze your debit card at any time, for example, if you lost it. And they have all these features. They have fraud monitoring on their app as well. So if they determine that you were spending money in a pattern that isn't traditional, they would alert you of that. And all these features are really awesome because SoFi Money is a technology-focused company. They're a newer company, and these features are embedded in the app. It's something that I really enjoy as compared to, say, a regional bank, which might be a little bit behind technology-wise. Now, really for me, the only downsides to SoFi Money is the fact that you can't deposit cash into the account. You have to actually deposit it into another bank and then transfer it into SoFi Money. And then there are no physical branches anywhere. And these are two features that are a little lacking, but they're universal amongst all online banks. I don't really know of any banks where you could actually deposit cash with. And even so, I don't really carry that much cash anyway. And if I have a couple $100s in cash, it's not the end of the world if it means I'm getting all of those other features for free. Now, where SoFi Money really sets itself apart amongst the competition is the fact that it's very flexible and it's a singular account. Now, what I mean by this is other accounts like Wealthfront or Betterment are lacking compared to SoFi in a few different areas. For example, Wealthfront, it may have a higher interest rate as of the date of this video of 2.57% versus SoFi Money's 2.25%. However, you're not able to do a lot of things that you can with SoFi Money. For example, with Wealthfront, you can't actually pay bills with SoFi Money or get direct deposits into Wealthfront, and you cannot have ATM withdrawals from a Wealthfront account as of the date of this video. Wealthfront has stated that they're going to try to work on those features, but today, SoFi Money can do all of those things and Wealthfront cannot. With SoFi Money, as compared to, for example, Betterment, you don't have to worry about having multiple accounts. SoFi Money is a singular account that can be used for all of your checking needs and allows you to have some savings with a high interest rate. This compares to Betterment, for example, which right now is a savings account and they're rolling out a checking account. And you have this distinction between a checking and a savings, which I don't really feel like is something that should exist in 2019. I don't know why they don't just have a singular account for all of those things, but SoFi Money combines the two and there's no restrictions on any transfers, unlike traditional savings accounts. And so SoFi Money has one singular account. If you just want simplicity in your life, you don't want to have to worry about having a million different bank accounts everywhere, some with a high interest rate, some with restrictions, some with checking accounts with certain availability, and you just want a singular account, SoFi Money is going to be the solution for you. Now with SoFi Money, I've really liked this account for quite a while, and I liked it before the referral program even existed. Now it just got even better because you can sign up either through my link or through other links online and get $50 for free. This is pretty awesome. You only have to deposit $100. It's a 50% return, and you get that money into your account. It's pretty great. If you don't like SoFi Money, there's really no downside other than just a minute of your time to sign up for the account because the account is free and you get that referral, and it's a really low deposit of $100 into your account versus other referrals or other hoops you have to jump through with other accounts. So I'd say give it a try. You can click my link. I'll get a small commission for that, or you can click another video's link or go online with SoFi. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't change how I feel about SoFi because I really feel strongly about this account and I have for quite a while. Some other key things I'd mention just generally about SoFi is that I really like the SoFi platform a lot. I like the fact that they have a lot of articles online where you can learn about your investments, you can learn about mortgages, you can learn about just your overall financial life, about news articles of the day. It's really pretty awesome if you're someone who's just beginning and doesn't know a whole lot about investing, doesn't know a whole lot about all these other financial products, and you want to educate yourself. SoFi Money has a lot of those articles which are really, really approachable. And I think it's because SoFi Money grew out of the fact that they were a student loan refinance company. So they understand the market that they're targeting is on the younger side. And as a result, they realize that not everyone has the same financial education. And by providing all these articles, it really can bring you up to speed in a pretty quick way. And again, they're all free. Obviously, you just go on their website and you can click around and see. SoFi Money also offers free financial advice. If you want to call any of their financial advisors, they can walk you through any questions you have. If I were just starting out and I didn't have a lot of experience in the financial world, this would be a huge benefit to me. And again, it's free. When you compare this to other bank accounts or other financial advisors which charge you a lot of money, This is a huge value and it's free. You could take advantage of it. You cannot, and this account is still going to be terrific. The SoFi Money Account still offers all of those amazing things, even if you don't take advantage of all these peripheral benefits. So what do you guys think about SoFi Money? Is it worth getting? Let me know in the comments below. It's an account that I really like and is kind of the go-to account for all of my financial transactions. I've been really happy with it, really happy with the app, really happy with the website, really happy with the customer service. And again, it's free to use. So if something changes and SoFi Money's interest rate drops by a lot, or their customer experience changes, I'm just going to close the account. But today and for the last couple months, I've really enjoyed using it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I really want to hear. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.